Installation video for our full motion corner TV wall mount with split wall plate. Flat wall into wood stud installation. Using a stud finder, locate the center of each wall stud. Mark the stud center lines clearly. Then position the included wall template at the desired mounting height. Use the supplied bubble level to ensure the template is perfectly level. Mark all drilling locations through the template. Then remove the template. Using a 1/4 inch drill bit, drill pilot holes at each marked location to the specified depth. Install the top 2 lag screws into the studs, leaving approximately a 5 mm gap between the wall and the screw heads. Hang the wall mount onto the installed screws, ensuring they seat fully into the narrow ends of the keyhole slots. Install the remaining lag screws with washers, then tighten all screws securely. Corner wood stud installation. Using a stud finder, locate the wall studs on both sides of the corner, then mark their center lines. Tear off the ends of the template and hold or tape them to the wall. Ensure they are level using the bubble level and measure from the ground to ensure they are at the same height. Mark the hole locations through the template. Remove the template pieces and drill holes at the marked locations using a 1/4 inch drill bit to a depth of 2.4 inches. Install the top 2 lag screws into the studs, leaving approximately a 5 mm gap between the wall and the screw heads. Hang the wall mount onto the installed screws, ensuring they seat fully into the narrow ends of the keyhole slots. Install the remaining lag screws with washers, then tighten all screws securely. Prepare the VESA brackets. Remove the pre-installed security clips by loosening and removing the securing bolts. The brackets are now ready to be attached to the television. Attach the VESA brackets to the TV. Position the brackets vertically on the back of the TV, making sure both brackets are aligned and centered. Install the mounting screws and tighten them securely by hand. Hang the TV onto the wall mount. With assistance, carefully lift the television and align the VESA brackets with the wall mount. Reinstall the security clips at the bottom of each bracket and tighten them securely. After the TV is installed, you can articulate the mount for a perfect viewing angle. Route all cables along the mounting arms and secure them using the supplied cable ties. Check that cables have enough slack to allow the mount to extend and retract without restriction. If necessary, adjust the screen level using the leveling screws. There are several alternative walls that this mount can be installed onto.